Good morning. I'm going to show you how to get those nice crispy edges on your pancakes. Let the pan get nice and hot. Nice and hot. And then you want to turn it down a little bit so it starts to level off a little bit. Now oil is cool, but that butter is going to bring it all together. Butter and oil together. If you just do butter by itself, it's going to burn. Okay. I'm going to show you how to make the pancake mix another time. See those edges starting to bubble up on the side? They're getting crispy just the way you like it. They're getting crispy just the way you like it. So I turned the fire down a little bit just so it wouldn't burn. You want those crispy edges. And it's just starting to get there, as you can see. See that? Right there. You gotta turn the fire down. If you don't, it's gonna burn, 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 burn. There you go. Nice, crispy edges. Nice, crispy edges. Little tip from Let's Eat. Subscribe and like my YouTube channel. I appreciate you. Let's go.